Howdy, y'all. Happy What Wednesday. Have you ever seen a chestnut tree in person? Probably not, and now you're probably wondering why. Well, it's because of a fungus that decimated chestnut tree populations in America. So, what is chestnut blight? Chestnut blight is caused by the fungus Cryphonectria parasitica. It was introduced to the United States in the late 19th century through the import of Japanese chestnut trees. Sadly, chestnut trees in the United States are very susceptible to Cryphonectria parasitica, much so that by 1940, over 3.5 billion American chestnut trees were killed by the disease. Cryphonectria parasitica infects the chestnut trees through pre-existing wounds, using insects, birds, animals, wind, and rain droplets to spread conidia and ascospores to other chestnut trees. Fun fact, in Texas, we have a relative of the chestnut, chinkapin, not to be confused with the chinkapin oak. Chinkapin has some resistance to Cryphonectria. Management of chestnut blight involves many approaches. One form of control is breeding the American chestnut for resistance, using an approach such as backcrossing. Genetic engineering has been used to transfer resistance genes to the American chestnut. Another approach of management is hypovirulence, which is a form of biological control that uses a virus to limit the spread of a fungus. However, it can be difficult for the virus to keep up with the fungus.